Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing an MZ Wallace unboxing with you, and this bag is in the really pretty pale rose gold color. Alright, so I have been dying to try a small Sutton Deluxe. I've had small Suttons for years now from MZ Wallace, but I really wanted to try the deluxe version, but I really wanted a color that I just had to have and I was dying to try. And when they released it in this pale rose gold color, I knew it was gonna be so cute on the Sutton because of all the hardware on the side. So I thought it would be fun to do like a true unboxing with you guys instead of just like a first impression. So I have my scissors here. I'm gonna unbox it. I have already seen the pale rose gold in person because I have a couple of accessories that I recently bought, not with this box obviously, but previous, and I'll show you those here in a second. But let me go ahead and open this up. Hopefully these scissors are okay for this box here. I have it all opened up here. I forgot when I purchased this bag that MZ Wallace was doing a like gift with purchase at the same time, and that was for this mica cosmetic bag, and it just came in black. So I have this here. I'll pull it out and show it to you really quickly first, just because I had forgotten about it. Now I have this same cosmetic bag, but I have it in the bright neon pink. I think I showed you all here probably a while back when they released their neon collection. So this isn't my first like look at this particular size from MZ Wallace, but I really, really like the mica. I think it's a cute little like cosmetic type bag. Inside of it, you just have one little pocket here at the top, but it's just their awesome like quilted material. Black is a really like awesome option to have it in. All right, in order to get that gift with purchase, I think you had to spend over a certain dollar amount, and the Sutton was almost at that dollar amount, but I added this little Metro key pouch, mainly because I thought it was really cute. And I wanted the gift with purchase. So I got this also with the bag. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. This seems bigger to me for some, I've had this particular like accessory piece before, but I had it in the blue like leopard print. I forget exactly what it's called. It was a couple of months back, but for some reason this feels bigger to me. But anyways, it looks like this. I'll kind of zoom in and show you it up close here. You have a little like key fob over here on the side, and then when you open up the inside of this little pouch, it actually has card slots. All right, this here is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, you have a couple of card slots on the inside there, so you can go ahead and attach this to your keys and kind of make it a cute little on-the-go wallet. All right, on to the bag that I have been dying to see and so crazy excited about it. This, like I said earlier, is the small Sutton Deluxe. I have shared the medium Sutton Deluxe, which I'll link up here for those of you that may have missed it. I love this color and I really, really like this style. I think it's just really pretty. I'm glad I waited for like a color that I really wanted. I was so tempted to just grab it in black or grab it in just something to see it, because the small Sutton is like one of my favorite MZ Wallace styles, but to have it in a deluxe is just, it's so much better because of all of the pockets. I want to really, I want to put the sides down because I think that's gonna be so cute. Unwrapping it here quickly. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Like, I really, really like this bag. I cannot wait to pack it up. Let me know, as always, if you guys want to see like a true pack. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Like a true like packing video, I can do that for sure. Well, this is why I never do like true unboxings. I always feel like it's like takes forever to unbox or unwrap stuff as I'm going, but I know some of you like them. So, all right, have all the paper off here. Let's take out the inside here. It does come with a pouch, like all of the Suttons do. Sometimes they come with more than one depending on the size. but this is what this one looks like. I love them because you can kind of fold up your bag and store it in here, so it really makes it easy. But you have that here. And this is what the bag looks like up close. Oh my gosh, y'all. You guys are gonna love this one. Oh my gosh. It is super cute. I hope the lighting is really doing it justice. I'll have to put more pictures over like on Instagram, but I think the light's pretty good in here. But look how cute the hardware is over here on the side. Oh, I think it's so, I love this like brushed gold with the rose gold. I think it looks really, really good. Show it up close there if it'll focus. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it in this. Quick little walkthrough of this style bag for those of you that may not have seen it. You have the option obviously to clip down the sides here, or you can unclip them and attach the optional messenger strap to the bag so that you can wear it crossbody or over your shoulder. I hardly ever do that because I love how cute and compact the look of the Sutton is whenever you have the sides clipped down, but you have that option if you're traveling or something like that. On the deluxe version of this bag, you have 2 exterior pockets. On the regular Sutton in the past, you did not, but you have a pocket here in the front of the bag, and then you also have the same pocket back here on the back of the bag, which I think is awesome to throw like your cell phone or your keys or hand sanitizer, all those kind of things that you had to kind of root on the inside of the bag for before. Now you kind of have that like little pocket on the top of it. So when you open up the bag, you still have lots of room. This bag holds a lot more than you think it would. I think it's a perfect like everyday type size. You have the traditional MZ Wallace interior zipper back here, and inside that zipper you actually have 2 additional like slit pockets back here, so you can kind of organize your things a little bit better. Then when you turn the bag around, you also have 2 more pockets on this side, kind of for like a cell phone or hand cream, pens, whatever you want, just to keep it a little bit more organized. And then of course the like key fob that you can attach that Metro pouch to, or your keys or whatever you would like. So I highly recommend this one. I can't rave about it enough. Like the Sutton is just one of my favorites from MZ Wallace. If you guys want to see me pack it up, let me know below. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that anyways. All right, my camera died, but I'm back and the lighting is a little bit different now because it is about to rain outside. So I have some like inside lights happening and it's a little bit yellow, but before I signed off for this video, I did want to show you guys the 2 pale rose gold pieces that I got about a couple of weeks ago. I think I haven't actually packed them up because I was waiting for a bag to go with them. But this is the Sam, I think it's, yeah, Sam Cosmetic Bag. I love this. I have it in a couple of different, I have it in neon, and then I also have it in an old like stripe pattern. I looked a little bit ago and it was still available on the website, so I'm not sure when I go to post this video if it will still be available, but this is a great, great pouch. It's one of my all-time favorites. This is what it looks like here in the rose gold. Again, I'm so sorry the lighting is just a little bit wonky, but you have the MZ Wallace logo here. You have a cute little like holder here on the side, and then in the top you have 2 different zipper pockets. This one here is a little bit smaller than the other, but I'll kind of open them up so that you can see here. And then this one here is a little bit wider, I guess, on the inside, if you will. But I'll show you that kind of all opened up here as well. It is just a great, it's a great pouch, one of my favorites. The other accessory I grabbed, I think it took me a whole 5 seconds before I purchased this one, was the large link pouch. I have so many of these in so many different colors. I'm pretty sure I have one in almost every single one of my packing videos. I just love them. I use them for things like hand sanitizer, lip gloss, my earbuds, all of that kind of thing. I just love how they can attach to the sides of bags or just throw inside. I like the zipper pulls, and I just like how versatile that they are. This one here is the large size. There is a small, a medium, and a large. I find that I actually use all 3 of them, honestly. I use the small one a lot for my earbuds. I use the large one here for hand sanitizer, chapstick and things like that. And the medium one is actually perfect for a little like on-the-go wallet. It holds a couple of credit cards and some cash perfectly. So just a couple of ideas, but I'll show you this one here up close because again, the rose gold, I'm telling you guys, it is really, really pretty. Here it is here. I love the logo there. I love the chunky zipper and the hardware. It is just such a cute little functional pouch. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those of you that are considering this particular style or maybe this color from MZ Wallace. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and let me know if you want me to pack this one up. I have a feeling I'm gonna be packing it up pretty immediate right now. So if you want a packing video, let me know. I'm happy to do one. Until my next video, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.